Hello friends, I'm Arya Chile, a student of First Tutorials for past 2 years, and in those past 2 years, Harshad sir has always kept us motivated. He is the person who inspired me in my life the most. When I passed 12, I was confused between CS and CMA. He took my counseling with my parents and told me the ifs and buts of both the streams so that I can choose what is best for me and my future. Even the non-teaching staff helped me a lot in my journey. Whenever there was difficulty in studies, Harshad sir always says that एखादी गोष्ट जर तुम्हाला येत नसेल तर ती का येत नाही आहे ह्याच्या खोलापर्यंत जाता आला पाहिजे आणि जोपर्यंत ती येत नाही त्याचे प्रयत्न केले पाहिजे. This is the sentence which kept me motivated throughout my journey. I would like to talk about few more teachers. Let me start with Aniket sir. He has been teaching me for past 2 years. His lectures are my favorite. He keeps focused in every student's query and his lectures are really enjoyable. Sagarika ma'am helped me a lot throughout my admission of CMA. She even teaches me in SYBCom and conducts our daily and weekly tests which helps us a lot. She is very friendly and supportive like an elder sister. Sagarika ma'am is the amazing I met as because I am doing both CMA and SYBCom. My lectures used to get jumbled, so she always used to call and remind me about my lectures. Just all the teachers and staff are great. So let me take a moment to thank those wonderful teachers who changed my life into a unique dimension and dedication. Thank you.